University College London found that humans subconsciously sync their heartbeats to the rhythm of a speaker's voice. Vocal entrainment. So if you speak rushed, restless, stressed, heart rate is going to increase. They're going to feel stressed. If you speak steady, decisive, rhythmic, their heart rate calms. They feel safer. So your voice is not just communication. It's like a remote control for other people's physiology, other people's biology and makeup and how they feel in an instance.